February the 4th. It's about 44 degrees out, and the sun is out like for the first time like in a month. So you can see my pond is overran by cattails. So kill the cattails and have it dredged. Now having it dredged is a pricey endeavor. A lot of tree trimming right there in this little open spot here. Like right here between this tree and these set of trees. I'm going to make a little beach and have a little dock. Take a little boat out there. So that's what I got going on there. Yeah, it's beautiful out. I love the sun. Wintertime, I'm going to have to find a sunshine state. That's Florida, isn't it? Down there around Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. All right, to the next episode.